Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gumroad on mobile. All right, so first up, we need to go ahead and download Gumroad. Well, just basically go to your Play Store or App Store and just find Gumroad and install it. Once done, just tap on open, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and sign in with your Gumroad account. Once logged in, just wait a bit, allow notifications or not, and then you'd be landed to the analytics section. So you could go ahead over to dashboard right here. And here you have your sales. You can export your sales report right here. Go to agent to access your store assistant. Now you could go ahead over to your library right here and check to see the items that you already bought from Gumroad itself. So as you can see here, there's nothing much onto your Gumroad account. But if you want to upload something, you would need to go ahead and go to where? The Gumroad website. All right. So it's either using your computer or mobile device. So if you want to, you can go ahead over to your favorite browser and just log in with your account at gumroad.com from here. All right. But once you're in here, go ahead and tap on start selling, and then you'd be logged into your account. If not, just go ahead and log in manually. Now from here, you can tap on the three horizontal lines and go to your products, add in a product, edit your profile, edit your pages, some collaborations, as well as affiliates and payouts. Now, if you want to know more about these functions right here, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a library of Gumroad videos. So that's how easy it is to use Gumroad on mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.